Hi, this is a screencast that will take you through some of the basics of setting up VoiceThread for student participation and grading in your course. I have available for faculty a self-paced VoiceThread course called Using VoiceThread to Enhance to Engage Students. I have that available to faculty here at the college. If you'd like to participate in that, and it's all self-paced, you can go through and look at it and try some of the exercises, let me know. So I'm going to use this as a way to build a VoiceThread. So we go to Tools, we select VoiceThread, we give our VoiceThread a title, and then it's good to put a couple sentences of instructions here in the text box. Then one of the things that is available is it used to be that it would say enable evaluation here. Now they've changed it to grading. And so just add the number of points that you want, and visible to students means whether they can see it or not in the Grade Center. And this down here, permit users to view content, means can they see it in Blackboard. So what this will do is give you a column in your Grade Center associated with this VoiceThread activity, similar to if you use a discussion group, blog, or journal. So I'm going to press Submit. What I have just done is the first part of the VoiceThread setup process. We add VoiceThread to the course. So I'm going to scroll down to the bottom to find that new thread. Okay, so here's my new VoiceThread. What I'm going to do now is the second part, and that is attaching the VoiceThread link that we just created to a view in VoiceThread. There's a few different things you can do here. VoiceThread Home we don't use very often, but that can be, you can link students to their home page in VoiceThread. For Assignment Builder, you can use that and set up a really nice link for students to create, view, or comment on a VoiceThread that gives you as an instructor a whole panel of who has participated, who has not, the ability to send out reminder notes, that kind of thing. Most people tend to be on this side, individual VoiceThread or course view. Individual sends a student directly to a particular VoiceThread. So for example, if you as an instructor put in a VoiceThread, this individual link would send them directly to that VoiceThread to place their comments on. Course view is the last thing you can set up, and that is really nice when you want to have students create a VoiceThread and have them all be able to see each other's VoiceThread at the same time. It gives them a kind of a panel of VoiceThreads to view. It's also nice if you are using VoiceThread throughout the course. So for example, if you might have different chapters and you're doing a VoiceThread on each chapter of a textbook, if you link it to Course View, a student can easily see all of those chapters. So I'm going to select that one now. Oh, it doesn't want to load for me. Let's try that again. Okay, now this is my particular panel. So what students will see up here, let me go back out actually. Let's go back in, and this link should be complete now. So when students click on the link, it will take them to a panel, and the name of the course will be up here. So here's the name of my course. Students can either choose from one of the VoiceThreads they have already created, so here's all of mine, or they can go over into the upper right and click Add Your Own. VoiceThread will always give them the choice to select from an existing VoiceThread or to create new. So in this case, I create new, I add my media. In this case, I'm going to add an image, give it a title, and that's the title of my VoiceThread. And I'll continue doing that with this plus sign for as many slides as I want to have in my course. Then I make my comments. I'm just going to do a text comment, save that. to get back to that main creation menu, I click on the X here, and then I do Share and Return to Course. Then it asks me to verify. Now here's something to pay attention to. There's a little drop-down menu here. It says others will be able to view and comment. That's what we want it to be in most cases. In some cases, if they're working on it as partners, you might want to let them view, comment, and edit. So just have them pay attention to that. And then we click on it again, and now this VoiceThread has been added to my panel. So let me go back into the course and open this again. So if this was your course, what you would see would be all the students' VoiceThreads here, and then they could hover over them, play each VoiceThread, and comment on those of their peers. So I hope you find this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.